Hi, this is Lieutenant Morrey. I'm going to show you how to take the aircraft handlers course that you'll need to have before you fly in any plane or be out around the airplanes. So you log in to eServices, and from the menu up in the upper left hand corner, go down to Online Learning and select Absorb LMS. Once this comes up, you scroll down to the course or the catalog, and depending on what you've taken before, this will be the course you'll be looking for, is the aircraft ground handling. This is what you'll see. So I am going to start taking the class.
Hello, I'm Rich Anderson, and this video